how to see who viewed your TikTok profile. So if you're wondering to check the number of people that visited your TikTok profile to see what you've got, or to check on your profile link, then this video is going to walk you through how to find out this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to see who viewed your TikTok profile, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the TikTok app on your phone. This could be on Android and it could be on iPhone. Now, once you open the TikTok app, click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then on the profile page, if you're not on your right profile, just click on this drop menu and then choose the profile you want to see who viewed your profiles on. Now, click on the number icon at the top right, just beside the menu icon, this. Then you see profile views. Then if you scroll down like this, you're gonna see a list of people that visited your profile recently on TikTok. So you can just scroll down to see all of them. Just keep scrolling. Then you have access to those that viewed your profile. And if you click on the settings icon at the top right, like this, then you can hide profile view history or make it visible. See who view your profile in the past 30 days and allow others to see that you view others' profiles. You will be notified of profile view if the notification is turned on. Only you can see who viewed your profile. You can turn this off anytime. And if you want to disable who viewed your profile on TikTok, just turn this off and then you're good to go. Then hit the back button. Then you should see turn on profile views. Then for you to be able to see who viewed your profile, you need to turn this on. Turn this on again and then you're good to go. So that is basically how to see who viewed your TikTok profile. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.